For the first time, a flow of pure water. In a remote village at the far edge of the horizon, where the sun rose every day bringing new hope, there lingered a single long sigh in its light, the lack of clean water. For generations, the villagers struggled with diseases and hardships because their only water source was a small pond whose water was dirty and undrinkable. On the faces of children, the marks of illness were evident, and every morning mothers wondered if today their children would finally be free from sickness. But one day, a new ray of hope appeared. News came that a massive humanitarian initiative had been launched called 2 million people received pure water for the first time. Under this project, even their village would get access to clean water. Initially, there was disbelief, followed by waves of joy that spread through every villager's heart. Work began swiftly. A deep tube well was installed in the center of the village, along with a state-of-the-art water purification system. Within a few days, the moment of triumph arrived. Fazal Chacha, the eldest resident of the village, came to the tube well with a large glass in hand. With trembling hands, he turned the tap. Crystal clear, sparkling water flowed out. Fazal Chacha stared in amazement, then carefully sipped the water. His face lit up with a divine sense of satisfaction and relief. After many years, he finally tasted pure water. Nearby, little Reena, 7 years old, came with her mother. She had long feared cholera. Today, she dipped her hands into the flowing water from the tap for the first time while sitting on her mother's lap. Her eyes sparkled with wonder and joy. From now on, she would no longer have to walk miles to fetch water from polluted streams. Her mother knew that Reena would now fall sick less often, attend school regularly, and play freely. This flow of pure water did more than meet the village's water needs. It brought a revolutionary change to their way of life. Diseases declined, children started going to school regularly, and women could use the time previously spent fetching water for other tasks. The village became greener, and the faces of the people shone with genuine smiles. Every morning, Fazal Chacha would stand by the tube well, looking with grateful eyes. He knew that this pure water purified not only their bodies but also their souls, filling them with new hope. This initiative, which brought change to the lives of 2 million people, has sparked a new rhythm of life in every corner of their small village. For more inspiring stories like this, subscribe to our channel.